Welcome guys to a second C++ programming language tutorial. In this second tutorial, we're gonna continue the first tutorial. The first tutorial we stopped at where we show you how a machine language is. So now a particular computer's machine language program that allow a user to input two numbers, add the two numbers together and display the total could include these machine code instructions. All these lines you see here are called machine codes. They are only understood by the computer, our computer. So all this bunch of code is just all this bunch of program is a program that allow a user to input two numbers, add the two numbers together and display the total could include and display the total. This is a program to add two numbers and display the total in machine language. Then, as you can imagine, programming a computer directly in machine language using only 1 and 0 is very tedious and error prone. To make programming easier, high-level language has been developed. High-level programs also make it easy for programmers to inspect and understand each other's programs easily. This is a portion here, a portion of code writing in C++ that accomplish the exact same purpose of the program writing in machine language. So in this place, it's add two numbers together and output the results. Even if you cannot really understand the code above here, this C++ program here, you should be able to appreciate how much easier it will be to program in the C++ language as opposed to machine language over here. Because a computer can only understand machine language and humans wish to write in high-level language has to be rewritten, that is translated into machine language at some point. This is done by special program called compilers, interpreters or assemblers that are built into the various programming applications. C++ is designed to be a compiled language, meaning that it is generally translated into machine language that can be understood directly by the system, making the generated program highly efficient. For that, a set of tools are needed. Know at the development toolchain whose core are a compiler and its linker. So remember that every machine language of every system are not the same. Every system has its own particular machine language. So whenever you're writing in a high-level programming language like C++, it gets translated into machine language for the computer to understand our program. So in the next video we will talk about what a console program means, and we'll start from there to learn our C++ program and the tools we need. So see me in the third tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends so you can have more and more of my tutorials. So for now, bye.